Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to draw a girl's face. We're going to start off by drawing a circle, and then we're going to draw a long vertical line down, and that's going to serve as a guide for when we're going to draw the cheeks and the chin in, which we're just doing now. Okay, and now we're going to draw the neck in. We're going to come in a little bit on the side from where the jawline hits, and then we're going to draw the collarbones and the shoulder bits in. Then we're going to go in with the horizontal line to serve as a guideline for the eyes, and then we're going to go a little bit lower with two lines, one for the guide for the nose and one for the mouth. And then we're going to go in for some rough circles for the eyes. They should be about an eye distance apart in the middle, because that's just how your face is. Typically with manga you always want to go in with more of like a eyeliner effect. And then we're going to go in with some irises and a lower lash line. Put some eyelashes on there, make it pretty. And we're going to do the same on the other eye. Oh, looks like we're doing a pupil on this one. We're adding the highlight in, and then we're going to go for the traditional manga-esque look and add some colour to the irises, or shading in this case. Noses, I've just gone for some nostrils and a little bit of shading on top. You can draw any type of nose you want though, you don't have to do like a more defined one. And then for the mouth we've gone for a small cupid's bow in the centre and gone for the typical happy little smile. It's probably more of a semi-realistic one in hindsight, but that's okay because all skills are transferable. I'm just smartening up the sides of her face because I realised she was a little bit wonky. And that's okay, you guys can do that too if yours is gone a little bit wonky like mine, but that's okay. Drawings are always supposed to be organic. Okay, so we're going in with the eyebrows, sort of like an arched oblong. That's how I would describe an eyebrow, but I can do a tutorial more in depth at a later stage. I like to start with like a sort of like a half of a heart, and then I go in with some details. I wouldn't worry too much about the details on ears because ears are really hard. And then I'm going to go in with the hair. Hair, I generally just do a massive block shape first of all, and it just makes it easier rather than drawing all the little lines. Going to go in with some curtain bangs. And now we're going to go in for more details. I have sped this up, so please do not be alarmed by this, because it did take me a little while to draw it. I'm trying to use confident sort of brush strokes, or pencil strokes in this case, because the more confident you are with your line work, the more fluidity and movement you get in there. And by confidence, I just mean being decisive with where you're placing your lines. Adding a little bit of shading under the chin to add a bit of definition. And that is a wrap on how to draw someone's face. Consider liking and subscribing for more, and I will be putting some more in-depth videos up soon shortly.